never stop.
Hi everyone, welcome back and thanks so much for tuning in. In today's video, I am going to be showing you 2 Valentine's DIYs. If you're new here, please consider subscribing as I post weekly DIYs. Alright dolls, let's get started. So you'll need 3 5x7 frames from the Dollar Tree, and then what you're going to do is remove everything from the backing, but you're going to keep each glass piece. I picked this up from Target's Dollar Spot. It was only $1, and I thought it was very pretty and went well with the decor I was looking for. And you're just going to cut out one face of that bag. Next up, you are going to put that back into that first picture frame because this is going to be the first frame that you put together, and all of the backing is just going to go back in this same one and you'll keep those prongs in there. And for this second picture frame, I'm going to use this table scatter that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. It's really very pretty, the pink and the reds. There are 2 different sizes, large and small, so I just figured out how I wanted them on the glass piece, and then I'm just going to hot glue them down. I didn't want them completely covering the entire glass, so I decided to put it on one side and making it look like it is descending almost like a waterfall. I really love the way it turned out. Then when you put this glass piece back in the frame, you're going to take those prongs out using either some scissors or some pliers. I use pliers. Then you're going to glue the inside of that frame and then put the glass piece back in there. You're going to put it back in there as if you were putting a picture in the frame because you don't want the side of the glass where all of your glue is. So make sure you don't forget that step. Then for the third and final picture frame, you're just going to put that same glass piece back in there without the backing and just hot glue the picture frame on there. Then to assemble all of the pieces, you are going to put glue on the back of the ones that go on the top. You have to put them on the back of the top 2 ones because if you put them on the bottom, it won't line up, and you want to make sure that you just don't have glue everywhere. The glue will kind of seep out on the sides a little bit, but it's hot glue. You can wipe it off when it dries completely, or tear it off when it dries completely. Once you have those all assembled, you have a really pretty Valentine's decor piece. For the next DIY, I am going to be using this canvas picture that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, along with this Rust-Oleum flat white spray paint that I picked up from the Home Depot. And you can still see a little bit of the blue letters on this picture, but it's alright because it's going to be all covered. And then next I'm using that table scatter that I had left over from the first project and just going to spell out XO with these hearts. Now I chose to do small hearts for the O and then the large hearts for the X, but I realized I did not like that. It didn't look very proportional to me, so I ended up changing it to the small hearts all the way around, and I think it came out great. Make sure that you have it set the way that you like, and then hot glue all of the pieces down to this board. And I really love how this turned out. I thought it needed something a little bit more, so I decided to go ahead and make a bow out of this ribbon that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I tied that bow off camera, and honestly it took me longer than I wanted it to, so I'll show you guys how I did that on the next one because I'm using this ribbon for another project. And there you have that completed XO board that goes very well with this XO shadow box, and I absolutely love how they all came out, and they're so pretty. Thanks again, dolls, so much for watching. I really appreciate you spending part of your day with me. And remember, if you're new here, please consider subscribing as I post weekly DIYs. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. Thanks so much, dolls. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!